Howdy, thanks for joining us on BWC Publishing Channel. I'm Wayne, or BWC. Today we're going to cook a stew, homemade stew, in our crock pot. Well, when I was growing up it was called a crock pot, but today I think most people call it a slow cooker, whatever you want to call it. That's what we're going to do. The recipe is in the description below, but I'll show you what we're going to do. Need a pound of stew meat, like so. Get that in any grocery store. Bag of frozen vegetables. About a 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes. 15-ounce can of cream-style corn. I'm going to use garlic powder, pepper, and salt. You can add or subtract any of the kind of seasoning you want. You make it, you add what you want. So we're going to put it all together and show you how to do it. Okay, we're going to season the meat to begin with. Take a little salt, put a little salt on it. Okay, put a little black pepper. And some garlic powder. There we go. Alright. Now, what we're going to do is put this into the pot. Like so. Face down. And we're going to season this side. Put a little salt, a little pepper, excuse me, a little garlic powder. Alright. Take your frozen vegetables and just pour them on top of it. Like so. Take your cream style corn, pour it on top of that. Take your tomatoes, pour them on top of that. I'm going to season a little bit more here. A little salt. Okay. A little pepper. Little garlic powder. You can see I've diced up some potatoes. One good sized potato. We'll put them in here too. Just kind of spread them around. They'll cook real good too. Alright, I think we're ready to start the cooking now. Alright, we got everything ready to go. Plug it in. Put it on high for 1 hour, and then we'll put it down to low for about the next, make it a total of 10 hours. It'll be ready for dinner. Okay, we'll come back and check it, stir it occasionally. Here we go. Put the lid on. There we go. Well, after you get it going for a little while, you want to stir it a little bit. Kind of get it mixed up. See if you can get those potatoes down into the solution so they'll cook good. Like so. Okay, let it go. Let it keep cooking. Alright, we're going to stir it up a little bit. Be sure that everything's going good. Alright, and be sure all the meat and potatoes are down in the solution so they get cooked real good. Don't want them hard. There we go. Okay, that's after 7 hours, so won't be too much longer. It'll be ready to go. Okay, we've gone to 10 hours. Now I'm pretty sure it's done. Let's get us a bowl. See how good it comes out. I know it'll come out good. This is one of my favorites. We're not going to get very much because it's very hot, okay? Okay, here we are with our first bowl out. Yeah, this stuff's going to be real hot, so we've got to be real careful. I like it just plain, and I like it with crackers. Here's a cracker. Let's see what we can do here. Be careful. Mmm. That is good. That is good. If you decide to make this, leave me a comment. Tell me how you did. I know you're going to like it, so until we get back with another one, we'll see you next time.